Okay, this is the helicopter. We're taking it for a ride this morning. It's 11 o'clock. Hello, Frank. What do you think about the ride? Tell me something about the ride.
Well, I made up my will.
Leaving everything to who?
Well, we're getting a little drunk here.
That's good.
You know? What do you think? You're talking to him. Yeah, let's say something.
I have to say something. We have a perfect day to go up in the air. We're going to check out Waterford from the sky, and then Detroit. Ballpark, Belle Isle, Fort Wayne, Renaissance.
Downtown Detroit, Greektown, Tiger Stadium.
Oh, we have to go to Greektown for George.
Right, yeah. We want to see our ancestors. 120 years ago they landed.